real, you know, in concept, real in actuality.
Hey Audrey, what's up?
How you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Good. I first want to congratulate Brandon and Stephen on closing their deals. And I also closed my deal today.
No way. Tell us, well, you've been so quiet in the background the last 2, 3 weeks. You've been working hard.
Yes, yeah.
Come on.
Tell
Congrats,
us.
congrats.
Thank you
Tell
so
us.
much. And you know, I again, I don't want to take up a lot of time either, but Stephen, that was so great. And I'm just coming into the call too. So things that may have you may have said, I kind of missed. If you may have said something, Brandon, but I wanted to kind of go back to what Stephen was saying, how he is encouraging everyone. I just wanted to say this. I started, you made mention of, you asked Stephen, when did he start? He said he started in March. Ella, I can't see you. Where are you? I don't.
I'm up here somewhere.
Okay.
You might have to scroll if you're on your phone.
Yeah, because I'm on the phone. And anyway, so I just wanted to say this. I started in July of last year.
Tell us about that journey.
Okay. And it was a journey. And I hope that this will help someone. Okay. I wanted to start real estate a long time ago, 20 plus years ago. Okay, life happened. All right. Life was still happening when this opportunity took place. Okay. And sometimes you can't wait for everything to be perfect to move. Okay. So I jumped in and I moved. I was not ready in any kind of way. I was mentally, emotionally, financially, all of those things broken. Okay. Coming out of a domestic, I don't want to, anyway, I'm just going to be transparent because again, this may help someone. Coming out of a domestic situation, just everything was just, if anyone knows anything about that, just a hard situation to be in. Okay. So now I'm in the process of rebuilding myself, ridding myself of negative emotions, ridding myself of negative subconscious things, all of this stuff. Okay. That I had to deal with, but I had a dream. Okay. And I said that, this is the time for my dream. COVID was perfect. I lost my job, decreased, hours and things like that. Some money was an issue. So out of all of that, that was an opportunity for me to move. Although the circumstances look crazy, that was an opportunity for me to move. Now, in that process of me moving, I could not take on everything at one time because I'm still trying to build me up. Okay. So I had to take it on one at a time, one thing at a time, trying to get the systems down, the call tools and all of that stuff. It took so much out of me, Ella, to do that. And it kept crashing. It would go up, it'll crash, it'll go up, it'll crash. So many different obstacles throughout the process. I would start cold calling after like a month of trying to get the call choose stuff together. And then the cold calling was an issue. It was a lot of issues that I was presented with. But I kept moving. So step by step, each day I did something to put into this business. You understand what I'm saying? And I had to do it that way because in my mind, I couldn't take on everything like everybody else. It was too overwhelming. But step by step, getting the systems caught up, making a few calls a day to more calls a day. Sometimes I would stop. I wasn't consistent again because I'm trying to build myself up and try to build the business at the same time. But I kept moving, Ella, and that's what I'm trying to tell people. That's my encouragement for people. Whatever is blocking you, whatever is standing in your way, whatever the obstacle is, just keep moving. It's one step at a time. If you just get up one day and just look at a script before you even think about doing the script, I had to actually turn my living room around to make it look like an office to motivate me. It was just so many different things and so many different fears that would come up, so many different inner things that was coming in my mind, that I had to come against. So I'm just saying this to whoever is on this call, don't give up. If you have a dream to do this, keep moving. Keep moving. If you just got to take 20 minutes, 30 minutes out of the day to make, to get this business down, do that. Listen to the calls, listen to the previous calls, whatever it is that you need to do. Just keep moving, y'all. Just keep moving. And you will eventually get here. You will eventually get to that place where you can say, as we have said, and I'm gonna tell you, this thing here, having that, I don't have the check, they wired the funds to me. I can't even begin to even explain to you how it's almost surreal, because it's like you can see it. You know, first of all, you got to see it to believe it. So I saw it a long time ago, but to actually hear it and to actually to see, like you all say, that reality check, man, this thing is real. And the information that they're providing is real, and it's excellent information. The support is just off the it's off the charts, off the chain. To everyone here, just please keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Whatever obstacle, whatever shutdown, just keep going. Don't quit. You will receive it at the end of the day.
Thank you. I needed that for real. Like,
well,
I love
I've been
it.
in my head a whole lot, and I needed that testimony for real.
Okay.
Audrey, I got a little theme song for you here. Just play this one.
Time to boss up.
There you go.
Girl, get at it. Get your bag up.
That's it, Brent.
That's it. Don't ever do it like that.
Yes.
Boss up, baby.
Oh,
Audrey,
yes.
you're doing amazing.
You're
doing amazing.
I just want to thank you all, but you know, your part that you played in it, all of that, being able to reach out to you and just check, am I doing right? I mean, just all of that. Y'all can't, man, keep going. And I thank you guys so much. I thank you guys so much, real advisors, and Brandon and Stephen. I mean, just, you know, and everyone here that just provides some type of information to show that action is taking place, that this thing is real. And if you take that same action, this thing can happen for you. I just, you know, I just wanted to put that out there, man.
What I always say is it's 1% every single. If you do 1% more than yesterday, you're gonna get there. It's a proven business. Literally a proven business.
It is. It really is.
3 people on the call. 3 people on the call. Today, 2 people closed their first deal. 2 people. Brandon, when was yours? 2 days ago? 3 days ago? I think I remember the 15th, wasn't it?
Mine was yesterday.
Oh, yesterday. Look, in 3 people, there's about 30 people on this call. That's
wait a second.
10%.
It's day before yesterday, but I picked the check up yesterday.
Okay.
Okay.
Those are good problems. But yes, guys, literally 3 people out of 30 people on the call right now. That's 10%. 10%, right? And it doesn't happen overnight. It does not happen overnight. And Audrey, I think that what you said was beautiful, because you said I was not mentally prepared. Most of us aren't. We don't understand what it takes, right? And a lot of the times, right, you know, I'm here to give you guys, you know, little tactics, but most of the solution is within you guys, right? It's, you know, are you mentally able to figure certain things out? Are you mentally able to pick up the phone? Are you mentally able to, you know, do whatever it takes? Because it does require a mental bridge to cross.
Absolutely.
It doesn't happen overnight. It just doesn't.
Absolutely.
Some people get lucky. I'm not gonna lie. Some people do get lucky, and I've seen that. I've seen it many times. But guess what? That luck sometimes gets to them, and they don't realize that that second deal is gonna be a lot harder. But you guys are doing great. Today's call was just great. I mean, I loved everybody's little closing. Audrey, tell us about that closing, though. Tell us.
Oh gosh, just the Ella look. It was so many different things that happened with that, but it's a couple of little things that I just wanted to say. When I did the contract wrong.
It's a learning lesson. It's not easy.
So it took it took almost a month. The month would be Monday. Closed out today, and so everything was, you know, everything worked. And I'm not, you know, I'm a God kind of girl, so I just give all the praise and all of the glory to God.
Congratulations, Audrey.
Sean, where are you coming from?
Congratulations. I heard Audrey closed her deal, so I had to get out here and say congrats to her.
Oh, thank you, Sharon. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. You guys are great. I just, oh my God. You guys are great.
This call's been great.
So, I didn't mean to jump in again. I didn't mean to take up all of the time either.
No, you're good. You're good.
You know, but I just wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much. And just to give you guys that extra, you know, to let you know what you're doing is working.
It's working.
Know, it's working. It's working. And I just thank you guys once again.
Thank you for sharing. And Audrey, I'm waiting for your next one. I'll be here for
And
your next one.
Oh, and that was the last thing that I wanted to say. That same seller, he said, Audrey,
has another one.
You sell homes, right? And look, it's like, hello, that's what you do. Yeah, that's what I do. Mr. Zito, he said, well, I think I got another one for you. I think I'm going to sell the one that I'm in right now. He said, I'm going to get back with you on that one. I'm going to get back with you real soon. I just got to put some things in order. Just like he said for this one. He's saying the same thing. I mean, it's just like he said for the one that was just closed. I'm going to get back with you and put some things in order. He said the same thing for this one. So I'm just praying that come through too.
Look
so
at
Audrey
that.
You closed today too, Audrey?
Yeah, I closed today, Sharon. I closed today.